Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ben Masters Premium Trading, and on my last videos I talk about the top indicators on this trading view, about wave trend, Williams and others. So on today's video I'm going to be talking about the ADX and DI indicator and how to use them. The ADX and DI indicator by this person over here. I don't really know how to pronounce his name. Okay, so let's get into this indicator. Okay, this is basically the indicator, and let me tell you how it works. As you can see on this indicator, we have three basic lines over here, and that's the red, the green and the purple line. And when the green line crosses the red line upward, it means there's a potential uptrend, or let's say there's a potential bull market. And when it crosses it downward, it means there's a potential bear market. Okay, so we have our purple line. Our purple line indicates if if the market is moving in a trend, or it is in a range, or it is just like on a straight line. If the market is moving, now as you can see that when the market is in a range, like here, from this range to this range, not moving upward, our purple line is moving down. Our purple line is moving down, and it started moving up from here. When the market wants to go back in that trend, when it wants to go into a trend, it started moving upwards. And as you can see, the more the trend is moving, that means the more you are in a trend, the more your line moves upward. So basically what you really need to take in a trade is that you have to have, there are just two conditions. You must have your crossover, be it your green line crosses over or your red line crosses over. If your green line crosses upward, you are in a bull market, and if your red line crosses upward, you are in a bear market. So our red line has crossed upward. Now we are in a bear market. Now we are looking for what conditions do we need to now enter into a trade. We need our purple line to move up, to be in what? An upward direction. Your purple line, it does not mean if it is coming down that you are in a bear market. No, it means you are in a range or a consolidation. Do you understand? Now, if it's coming down, if your purple line over here is coming down, it means you are in a consolidation. That means you are in a consolidation. It does not have anything to do with bear market, bull market, or if you are in an uptrend or a downtrend. It just means if it's coming down, you are in a consolidation, and if it's going up, you are in a trend. What determines the type of trend is what? The crossing upwards of these two red and green lines. So that's basically it, guys. So as you can see that our line over here, our purple line, move from down to up, and we have a cross over here for a bear market. As you can see over here, let me check. Okay, over here on this candle over here, and we are moving what? Upward. So we enter into a trade over here, and as you can see, you have what? A downtrend. So this basically teaches you when to enter into a trade in a trend. So that's basically all for this video, guys. If you like this video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell to get notified when I post my next video about how to use the top trading view indicators. That's all for now. Thanks, guys.